I'm Manas. Welcome to my new class. This is the first class after summer vacation. So before summer vacation, we was finished the knowing our numbers and whole numbers. Now we'll going to start. Here is the chapter number 3, playing with numbers. So this is very important chapter because in this chapter, factors and multiples, types of natural numbers, test for divisibility, common factors and common multiples, prime factorization, HCF, LCM and their properties. So first we will discuss about factors. See, factor is what? What is a factor? See, suppose any number 6. See, suppose any number, factor, chapter number 3, factor. Suppose any number 6, we can see 6 equal to 2 into 3, okay, and we can 6 or 6 into 1, okay. So here 2, 3, 6 ones are factors. Here 2, 3, 6 ones are all are factor. Okay. So we can see the factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3, 6. See, these all are factor of 6. Now see, every numbers have factors of itself. See, 6 is a factor of 6, okay, and you can see for 10 the factor is 1, 2, 5 and 10. See, every number have a factor which is itself. See, 10, 10's factor is 10 and 10's factor is 1 also, and for 6 1 is a factor. So 1 is a common factor of all number, and for any number, that number also a factor of that number. See, 6 is a factor of 6, 10 is a factor of 10. And another thing is, for any number, if we see the factors, all factors are less than or equal to the number. See, all factors 1, 6. Okay, for 6, 1 is less than 6, 2 is less than, 3 is less than 6, 6 is equal. So all factors are, F means factors, all factors are less than or equal to the number. For 10, 1 less than, 2 less, 5 less, 10 are equal. So all factors are less than or equal to the numbers which is we calculated. So in the book also this was discussed. Number properties of factor is, number 1 is a factor of every number, and every number is a factor of itself. See, we already discussed, for any number 1 is a factor of any number. So 1 is a factor of 10, 1 is a factor of 6 also, and for any number 6 is a factor of 6, 10 is a factor of 10. So any number which is will get itself factor. And number 2, every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. See, less than or equal to the number. All factors are, if we see individually, every factors are less than or equal to the number. Next, every factors of a number exact divisor of that number. See, every factor. See, for 1 is the exact divisor of 6. So if we divide 6 by 1, then we will get the integers. If we 6 divided by 2, we will get 3. If we 6 divided by 3, we will get 2. If we 6 divided by 6, we will get 1. So these all factors are a perfect divisor of in this number. So see, for 6, if we see 5 is not divisible because If we divide it by 5, then we will get 1 point something. So that's why 5 is not the divisible factors of 6. So for factor, we have to need perfect divisor. Next number, properties number 4. Number of factors of a given numbers is a finite. So finite number means, see, number of factors 6. How many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4. For 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many factors? 4 factors. For 20, we will see 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, and nothing else. So how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factors. So all factors are finite. So for any numbers, all factors are finite. So maybe for some number we will get 4 factors, 5 factors, 6 factors, 7 factors, 100 factors, 20 factors. But these all are number in limit, is a finite number. Okay. So next we will see the multiple. We will see next multiples. Yeah, multiples. Next multiple. A multiple is multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying it by a natural number. For example, if we multiply 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we get 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, which are all multiplies of 4. See, what is multiplication? We know the multiplication numbers. If you see the multiplication table of 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 3, 3, 1 into 4, like that. For 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, like that. So multiplication is coming one by one. So see, for example, is 2. For 2, multiplication is 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8, like that. All are infinity. To the infinite number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all of the infinite number. For number 3, if you see the multiplication, for 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, like multiplication table, you can put the multiplication table 9, 12, like that. All are going to the multiples. So the property is, for any numbers multiples are, for any number multiples. For 2 is a multiple itself, is a multiple. For 3 is a multiple, because for any number multiplication, for any numbers, first multiples are itself. For 4, first multiples are 4, then 8, then 12, then so on. So first multiples are itself numbers. For 2, for 3, 3, for 4, 4. And coming to the next 4. Next point is, next property is every numbers are multiplying. Yes, every numbers are multiplying itself. Number 2, every multiplication. Number 2 properties, every multiple of number is greater than or equal to the numbers. See, every multiple of numbers. See, for 2 is the equal. Okay. For 3 is greater than. For 6 greater. For 8 greater. For 2 equal. So every multiples are greater than or equal to the number. For 12 greater than 3, for 9 greater than 3, for 6 9 greater than 3, for 3 equal 3. So every multiples are greater than or equal to the numbers. For 4 equal, for 8 greater than, for 12 greater than, every multiples are greater than or equal to the numbers. Next, number 3, the number of multiples of a given numbers is infinite. See, if we want, then we can count infinite numbers of multiples. See, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like the infinite. So all multiples we can count. If we want, we can count to the infinite numbers. So this is the properties of multiples. So I hope all of you understand till that. So today's class is this much. In next class I'll discuss the types of numbers. Types of numbers we'll discuss in the next class. So thank you for your patience. So thank you.